Hello everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I wanted to talk about cryptocurrency airdrops. So cryptocurrency airdrop is a marketing stunt that involves sending free coins or tokens to various wallet addresses to promote awareness of that new currency which is out there in the market. So how do you find out these various cryptocurrency airdrops? So that is where this site comes in, airdrops.io. There they list various airdrops that is available, and through airdrops you might become eligible by holding some of these existing coins. That is how normally it works. And there are some websites like NFT platforms where if you have done some trades in the past, that is selling and buying of that NFTs in that site, based on their transactions there, also people are airdropped when their tokens are launched. So here are the various airdrops that you can see. So if I click on this, Swaraj artifact Mars colony. These are some of the airdrops. This is holder airdrops. So based on the value that you are holding, you become eligible for something. That is what is meant by holder airdrops. And these are the upcoming airdrops. So I think it will show you all the upcoming airdrops. So let me see. Yeah, Loom network. Visit the Loom network. Submit your atoms for osmosis address. If you are eligible, then you will see the number of atoms you can claim. Users who has take a minimum of 5 atoms and provide at least 30 osmosis liquidity are eligible to claim the airdrop. So now if you come to icon, buy and hold ICX private wallet, then ICS deposited into that, then snapshot will be taken. Eligible participant will receive this ICY and ICZ tokens. So this is the airdrops calendar. Let me see if it comes or not. So this is Mars colony. Mars colony is giving away free of 50 land NFTs worth $1,000 each to give away. So for this, you need to just receive the page, submit your details and sign up, complete the simple social task there, and a total of 50 entries will be randomly selected to win the land NFT. So here you don't have to do anything much. Somehow this calendar is not working. So similarly, you can find out various what you call airdrops. So basic attention token, you anyway know you get this airdrop every month by downloading. Maybe you know it. If you download that Brave browser, you get that rewards 20 to 40 bat. So that is what it's about. So then we have this BlockFi. So there also there is some airdrops. I think it's like a sign up bonus there, which is giving around $10 worth of Bitcoin. So you can find out various projects like this using this. So BlockFi is airdropping $10 worth of BTC to new users. Visit the BlockFi website, get started, sign up, verify your email, do KYC. Now make a deposit of $100 and you will get $10 worth of BTC. Also get $10 worth of BTC for the first 5 referrals and 20 worth of BTC for the subsequent also referrals. Hold your minimum balance 100 for at least 30 days to receive your reward. Earn interest and eligible for the referral program. So the rewards will be distributed on 15th of every month. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.